Hello guys, welcome to channel Red. In this video I am gonna show you how to convert a normal video into DVD format, .vob format. Using this we can play our normal video in a DVD. Okay, let's see how to convert a video. First of all, we need Android application to convert a video from normal format to DVD format. And then select this. Select the video you want to convert. And this is an important part. In this, select the format and then change it to .vob. Okay, now press the tick icon. Okay guys, now this video will be converted soon to a DVD format. Using this format we can play our normal video into any DVD player. Okay, thank you for watching channel Red. Have a nice day. போலாமா